Hello, it's Tuesday, and today we have this radio here. So here with me, the owner, it has a problem with charging with the USB port. You see this one here, so it can't read flash disks. So here inside, it looks to be broken. Okay. So we shall fix it. Let's see if we can fix it. Then if we can, we change the charging, the USB port. Yeah, then we test. Okay. Okay, let's first open it all. It has screws here, here, and here. Okay. So we have opened it here. So you can see, yeah, the USB port is broken from inside, so it's the one that we're supposed to change. Okay, let me check out from my things and I see if I can get a USB port. Okay.